Hi, I'm Kate, and most of you who've landed on this channel probably don't know who I am. For some of you, you might say, that's the teacher. Yes, it is. So I actually am going to have two channels. I'm excited to announce that I'm gonna actually start putting things on this channel. So I'm still working out how to do that, but we're coming along. And yesterday, I heard a little knock at the door and I got a present. I ordered a package from Miss Dyan Reaveley. I'm so excited. So this package comes and it's packaged really well. I'm so excited to see the inside. But before we look at the inside, I just wanted to give you a little backstory of why I wanted to get this so badly. So a couple years ago, I started getting into the idea of art journaling, and Dyan Reaveley happened to be one of the first people that I found. And I watched all of her CHA videos, all of them. Everything I could find by Dyan, I just devoured as much as I could. And so when this opportunity came out to get her a book of her artwork, I had to get it. I had to get it. So let's take a little peek inside, shall we? So I'm really excited to take a look inside, and oh my goodness, you guys, it's gorgeous. Let me try to frame that a little bit better. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So this is the art of Dyan Reaveley, whom I love and adore. I think she's just phenomenal. So let's take a look inside.